So let's change Microsoft account in your PCs. Click on the Windows icon and click on settings and click on accounts. And here you can see there is the option sign in with the local account instead. Click on it and click next, and it will ask you to put a PIN. Here this window will ask you to your PIN code, which PIN you put whenever you creating your Microsoft account. Then they will ask to put a PIN to your account, or you can click I forgot my PIN, and they will send the new PIN with the reset PIN to your Gmail account or email account or any other account you have. And then put your PIN and click on OK. Write your username, and then if you want to put password you can. If you don't want to put password, then leave it. Click on next and then sign out and finish. Windows will sign out the previous account and sign in with your new account with your PCs. Now it's signing out. Here you can see your account is changed with the new Gmail account.